I would like to underscore the need for a vision, mission, values, and goals of the association. And the scripture also reminds us, with a vision, make it plain. John Swift, I agree with him. He says vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others. There are great visionaries in the world. They have made quite an impact to our lives. And so, what is the vision for Mom C? Later, please do not shoot the messenger. I'm just a messenger here. But later on my last slide, you will see what we are going to do next for Mom C. So the vision of Mom C is to be one of the top 3 NAMA affiliates by 2020. So if you notice something there, hold your horses until the last slide. For Mom C's mission, instead of a statement, they have made an extensive one. They have identified a 4-fold mission, which is to serve as a source of hope and inspiration for all Mapua, MIE, IE, MG, SEN alumni, so that we may lead them to a path of becoming better professionals. Next is to uphold our Mapuan legacy with a sense of pride by continuing our tradition of excellence and celebrating our successes in MIE, IE, EMG, and SEN. And then, to be a positive force towards fostering unity and camaraderie among all Mapuan, MIE, IE, EMG, SEN alumni. And last, to be a socially responsible alumni association by sharing our time, talent, and resources to our community. Later, you will hear from the other officers how we have all worked towards realizing our mission and our vision. What about core values? Imagine, pati si Elvis Presley, meron siyang quote, di ba? Ang cute. Values daw are like fingerprints. Nobody's are the same. Walang magkakapareho, di ba? But you leave them all over everything you do. So what do we expect from our family members? Our core values, first, dapat meron daw tayong passion for excellence. Meron tayo, we synergize with each other and with the other alumni chapters or with NAMA. We have integrity, we have accountability for achievement, sense of pride in our Mapuan legacy, and you have seen how Mr. Mariano has given us a glimpse of our social responsibility works. Goals. The 2017 strategic team has identified 3 goals. Okay, sabi ni Tony Robbins, setting goals is the first step towards turning the invisible to the visible. Remember how Jonathan Swift said, vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others. So si Tony Robbins, he made an addendum to that. Turning the invisible into the visible. So what are the Mom C goals? First, to reach out to MIE, IE, MG, SEN alumni and graduating students, strengthen the communication of the organization. Foster unity of MIE, IE, EMG, SEM through social activities like homecoming, reunion, sports, outreach, and etc. And very important, to pursue excellence, like setting up awards and scholarship programs, field candidates for NAMA's TOM, the Outstanding Mapuan, conduct lectures, seminars, training initiatives, set up review centers, and Dean Michael Young, support faculty members. Soon, coming soon, parang sila, the time is right to revisit. I'm sure you will agree. I was last by listening to underscore the need for a revisit of our vision, mission, values, and goals. And I know this is going to happen soon when we have the new set of officers. And the plan will be to have a network of shareholders so that the vision, the mission, and the goals are cast on a certain realizable and ambitious and futuristic one. Okay? So, does it happen? Tayo lang ba yung nagre-revisit? I would just like to give you a glimpse of how Uber did it. You know how Uber had been globally very, very successful in the beginning. In 2009, when they were founded, they had a revision of their purpose, vision, and mission in 2016 and 2018. So this is not unique to us. This is a very welcome event that we will revisit our vision, mission. Maybe the values will remain the same. Maybe the goals will remain the same. And I thank you everyone for your kind attention.